Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to make a fact from a source generate quick questions and answers on Google NotebookLM. So as you guys see, I already have the NotebookLM opened, and I will open my source, then go to chat, and as you see already did this, but all you need to say, just like I did at the top, generate me quick questions and answers about this topic. Let me try again to show you how it generates. Okay, so let's see how it does this time. And as you see, everything is perfect. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.